the American breakfast. It's fast, it's easy, and you don't have to have substandard gravy. Why can't anyone make a good breakfast gravy? It's not hard, it's a very simple process, yet you can't find any good gravy anywhere. Let me show you how I make mine. Stay tuned. Let's get started. First, we're going to turn our fire on a fairly low to medium heat. You don't want anything too hot. Then we're going to use half a pound of hot sausage. Obviously, you can use any kind of sausage you like to. Cut that up, split it apart. Put the sausage in the pan. Very basic so far. Cut this up. Breakfast gravy is so simple. When I was in the restaurant business years ago, people made breakfast from a package. The package was so basic and so generic, there was even a recipe for vanilla pudding on there. Can you imagine that? Breakfast gravy and vanilla pudding come from the same package. All right, got our meat in there. Let's get that set up and start pairing our ingredients. We're going to start off with a quarter of a bell pepper. Let the sausage cook down first. We're going to have 3 mushrooms. There's only 2 places I've found that have a decent breakfast gravy. Bob Evans and Texas Roadhouse. Both have excellent gravy. Besides that, I have not found one yet. If you guys know a place that has good gravy, chicken fried steak, breakfast gravy, let me know. I'd be happy to hear about it, because I have not found one. And I've tried everywhere. We're going to have 3 garlic cloves. And so this is very simple, very easy. One small onion, purple onion, white onion, red onion, totally up to you. Get this peeled, we'll get everything cut up first and then start our gravy. And obviously on the gravy, you can use medium, hot, you can use brand name, anything you want to. Whatever tastes good to you. Let's see if we can get the gravy in America a little better taste. Breakfast. And that sizzle. This is a very simple process. Comes together very fast. We're going to get a good cook on there, a good sear. Use our pan. All right, now we're going to come in with our mushrooms. Come in with our red onions and green peppers. And let these cook down. Simple so far, right? You want everything to cook down and meld together in the pan. You don't want to get into a hurry. You don't want to have the fire too hot. You want everything to come together slowly. Go ahead and throw in our garlic. Now we have garlic, green peppers, mushrooms, onions, and sausage. This is going to be wonderful. You want everything cooked down. Okay, you can see the sausage is turning brown. The vegetables are crystallizing in there. Now it's time to add in 2 tablespoons of flour, all purpose. Let the flour cook down. Once again, keep your heat steady. Don't turn it up. Don't move. This is going to be enough gravy for about 5 servings. Let them cook in there. Next we'll come in with our Norris chicken base. Very good stuff. We have some ranch seasoning. Good stuff also. And then we're going to come in with a can of evaporated milk. Evaporated milk is the secret part of here. Gives a good, unique flavor. Good taste. One can, 12 ounces. Keep stirring so nothing sticks. Let this all come together. Turn the fire down a little more. Come down to a simmer. Then we need a burner stick. Turn the fire off. We're going to come in with some all seasoning from Bandia. We found this about a month ago. It's a great flavor. We're going to use some celery salt. Also a very good flavor. A little bit of Maggi seasoning. You can use Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, whatever you want to. Up to you. And of course our cracked black pepper. If the gravy's too thick, add a little bit of milk, half and half. That's about right though. I like my gravy pretty thick. And guys, that's it. Always want to taste for seasoning. I think we need a little milk going there. It's a little thick. Turn the fire back on and cook that in. You guys gotta try this. This is good stuff. I think you'll like it. I don't think you'll have to settle for mediocre gravy anymore. And let me know what you think. The mushrooms, that's my preference. If you don't like them, obviously leave them out. Well, you gotta admit, that was pretty easy. Now, we're gonna fry some eggs up. I've got toast in the toaster, and we're gonna set a breakfast plate up. I'll show you what that looks like and show you how that's done. This is gonna be great. This is gonna start the day, a good, hearty, healthy, inexpensive meal. You'll love it. I'll see you in a second. Bye. All right, here's the fun part. 2 fried eggs. I like mine over medium. Let's turn the fire on. Get the pan hot. Let's crack our eggs. You crack them into a bowl. They'll be easier to work with, and they'll look a lot better in presentation. 2 eggs in the bowl. Let's spray our pan. A little bit of Pam. Cooking spray. And then gently pour the eggs in. Swirl them around back and forth. We got one yolk broken already. Isn't that nice? Spatula. Make sure they want to move back and forth around. I guess we'll have 1 egg over medium. See if we can get a flip. Well, that worked at least. Here's our 2 wobbly eggs. That's about done. Got our toast ready. Cut that up. There's that breakfast gravy from before. If your gravy's too thick, add a little water and milk. If it's too thin, you'll need to get some cornstarch and thicken it back up. And that's it. That's the meal. Let me garnish this up and we'll come back and try it and let you know how it is. Well, what do you think? That was a lot of fun. Breakfast doesn't have to be boring, doesn't have to be expensive. This entire thing is basically cheap, for better words. You need to try this. We have 2 eggs here. We got chocolate yolk. Oh yeah, we got the yolk running. That's good. I added some habaneros, some green onions, and some tomatoes for garnish. This is going to be great. Let's try this gravy. I can't wait. Let me give you a close-up. How's that look? It smells amazing. I wish you could be here and taste it. I'm going to try it. Don't take too big a bite. The sausage, the onions, the mushrooms. If I can get it in here. Let's see. That worked. Part of a complete and balanced breakfast. This will fill you up to a lunch. This is a good, hearty, healthy meal. Easy to do. You can do this. If you want to learn how to cook for yourself, how to save money, how to keep these ideas coming, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you do your breakfast. Is it just simple cold cereal for milk, or do you have a good hearty breakfast? Look forward to hearing from you, and we'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Bye.